Welcome back to another Alpha Outpost unboxing. This is for the September box, the Wilderness. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so first thing is this one came in a big old bag, kind of like one a couple months ago. It wasn't the standard box that it normally comes in. First thing out, big ol' wrapped up something or other. Looks like a liner wet weather poncho made by Grunt Style. Which, open this up, see what it looks like. So actually, this is what, if you're in the military, you've heard of a thing called a whoopee. This is basically one of those. Looks like a Grunt Styles version. Pretty much exactly like the Army issue one, only with a different color. The OD green rather than the ACU pattern or the new multi-cam. Get that off this side. Next thing, little guy right here. Let's find out. So yeah, this one didn't actually come with a thing that explained what everything was, so don't know what this guy is. Looks kind of like a hammock. Cords. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. A big old hammock. Looks nice and solid. Not too cheap like some of the stuff in the past. Right here, looks like maybe a lighter or something. It looks like a wick right there. You can see that. Last but not least, personal water filter straw. So cool, yeah. I guess if you're out in the wilderness, get one of these. Need some fresh drinking water, just pop it in the water, drink out the top, and you got a nice little filtration straw. So yeah, pretty decent box this month. Not a lot of items, but some good quality items. Excited to go out into the wilderness and try this all out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will be back next month with the next box. See you guys later.